Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Desmond with I Review the Fly, coming to bring you some brand new and fresh and dope kicks today, guys. And we are talking about the joints that's dropping on the 30th of this month. We are talking about the Jordan number 9s and the University Gold, baby. Now, what we're talking about, is this a drip? Is this going to be a flip? Or is this going to be an all-out skip? Well, let's dive right into it. First of all, guys, you're talking about black, gray, with a hint of yellow around the borders of the shoe. If you can't drip these shoes, then I'm telling you right now, your whole wardrobe game is just straight garbage, straight trash. You need to throw it all out the window. Anyhow, guys, this is a real easy shoe to drip. You can rock all black. You can mix some black and gray in it, or you can go ahead and go to Wiz Khalifa, old school, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. It ain't hard to drip these shoes, guys. It's a real simple colorway that you can do many different styles with it. Whether you want to put them on preppy, or you want to put it, you want to dress them up with some jeans or some sweats, guys. So to answer the first question, it's definitely a drip. So we'll move on from that. Now, here's the thing. Is these shoes a skip? Nah, not likely. And the reason why I say it's not a skip, because the number 9s has always been a dope shoe. It's a crazy silhouette, and no matter what colorway you get, if you know how to rock it right, you can rock it right. So it's definitely not a skip, unless you got multiple pairs of shoes with black and gray and a little bit of yellow in it, and you really don't need the colorway. And hey, yeah, it is a skip. But for the most part, for the people who want some dope number 9s, they're not skipping over on these shoes. So now that leads us to the magical, mythical question. Will these shoes be, in fact, a flip? Can these shoes make you more money than retail if you're able to comp off the sneakers app? Speaking about the sneakers app, man, am I the only one that's noticed that it's been incredibly hard to cop shoes on sneakers lately? It's like, after December, it's been crazy hard. I know I'm going off on a tangent here, but I gotta be a little bit honest. I am a little bit pissed off because I tried to cop the Notre Dunks that came out yesterday. Pissed. I was definitely pissed about the Street Hawkers. Now I know a lot of people went in for these shoes, and so I didn't get them. But the stupid things I was getting, man, like, we could not process your card, and I'm like, really? The card got plenty of money on it. Or the other thing that came up is all of a sudden you needed my CVV code when my CVV code was in there. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to put this in right quick, because the sneakers app been kind of wild. But at any rate, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and dive right into it. All these shoes gonna be a flippable shoe. Me personally, without actually going in and doing the deep dive into seeing whether these shoes are actually gonna be flippable, personally, I don't think so. And the reason why I don't think so is just with any Jordan as of now. I keep saying this. Dunks have the wave. Yeezy's a second runner up. Jordans, unless it's a Union Jordan or off-white, something like that, something that actually is exclusive, and it's gonna be a very limited rollout, I don't really see it being a major increase in the price, because they're releasing these shoes like every freaking where. But we're gonna go ahead and deep dive into, because I could be wrong, but I've been pretty much on point when it comes to the flip aspect of these shoes lately, on where they're gonna go, especially dealing with the market. COVID, a lot of people not buying, but these shoes are being released in mass amounts. So with that being said, let's go ahead and deep dive into it, right, guys, and see whether these shoes that we know is definitely a drip, and unless you don't have this colorway, there's no reason to skip. But let's really see if it's actually a flip. All right, be right back. Let's switch on over and get into it. Y'all, this is Desmond, Mr. Eye Catch Pips. If you've been struggling to learn how to become a successful day trader, or you've been interested in learning how to become a successful Forex day trader, just go to the website right across this video, guys. Take a look at the website, get started with us, and let's help you become a successful, independent Forex day trader. Take care. All right, guys, let's go ahead and hop right into it. Let's go on over to the sneakers app. As you can see, I've been looking at these shoes earlier. The Jordan number 9 University Gold colorway for $190, dropping on January 30th at 10 o'clock. You see the sizes. Of course, you see the shoes kicking off. Like I said, definitely not a hard shoe to drip, you know. And if you don't have this colorway, or you need to update yourself with a black and basically a black shoe, definitely not a skip. But hey, let's see whether it's going to be for us people who decide that we want to flip shoes, or we want to try to make some extra money, whether this shoe is going to be worth trying to go through the headache on the sneakers app or anywhere else that retails these shoes, like everybody's going to have them, whether it's going to be a profit margin to be had on these shoes. Anyhow, so let's go ahead and jump right over to StockX. Pull it up. I thought those number 5 now, those right there, the Yeezy Suns, popping off. But we're not here for that right now. Let's go ahead and look up these number 9s. Some Jordan 9 University. Yeah, that's already popped up. Jordan 9 Retro Dark Charcoal University Gold. Let's see what we're talking about here. So you see the shoes are $190. Right now, $261. Let's go view all the sales. And this is before the shoe drop. Not a lot of profit margin there, guys. You know, especially when you consider the fact that StockX is going to get their fees. So we look at the buy price, or the bid price, the asking price, I should say, right now. In my size, $262, paying $190. After the fees come out, I might make $10 in profit. What the hell is the point of even doing that? You know? So you see right here, size 13, 15, 781, just because of the rarity of the size. The likelihood you're gonna get that size, slim to none. 16, $5,000. And then on top of that, when you look at this stuff, are you actually gonna get that type of money for the shoe? Because here's the thing. You really need to go to the sale side or the ask price to see what the price really are. Now you see what you're really working with, especially if you're looking for a quick flip. You know, you're talking in my size, $245. I mean, $225. I'm a size 9. You know, $85 and a 16, $131. That really gives you a different perspective on whether this is going to be a flip, guys. Me personally, I'm thinking if you're getting it just for a flip, guys, you might be looking at brick sauce. Anyhow, let's go ahead and move on over to GOAT. See what they talking about on GOAT. Now, these shoes right here really were fire. I wish I would have got to do a video on it, but I had a bunch of stuff that came up this week and just couldn't do a video on it. Anyhow, let's go ahead. Jordan 9. Oh, right there. There it is right there. And my size, 268. You know. Now, the smaller sizes, if you get that size 7, you might have something at a 7.5. But there's not that many sizes of them, so all the sizes that they're going to have multiples of, you're not really, 12.5 is so hard to find, it's ridiculous. You're not really seeing a big profit margin here. Now, if you get that 14, you got something, but it's not a lot of 14s. Me personally, guys, honestly, because if I was going to grab these, I would be grabbing them just for a flip, because I have plenty black and gray shoes. I don't need any more of them. I don't give a damn what company or who designed the shoe. I just don't need any more of them. So yeah, I'm screaming a straight brick through the window, guys. So anyhow, that's that. You see what it is. Now let's move on back on over and close this video on out, baby. All right, guys. So yeah, there you have it. You know, is it a drip? Yeah. Pretty easy shoe that you can rock. You can rock with just about any, you know, some jeans, sweatpants, you know, and if you got any basic sense of fashion, how to put things together, it's not a hard shoe to rock at all. You know, you let the yellow do its thing on its own. You can put on all black and there you go. You got it going on. Now, is this shoe a skip? Unless you have, like, you just need a black shoe or a black and gray shoe to update because the ones you currently have has been ran through the ringer and they're done, then yeah, this is definitely a shoe you shouldn't skip over. And of course, like you just saw, guys, is this shoe worth the flip? Heck no. I mean, the likelihood that you're actually going to be profitable on this shoe is like next to none. At most, you may get your money back, but I even doubt that, considering the fact that you still have to cover the fees that StockX is going to, they're going to charge you, unless you're in a major city where you can just flip them on you're flipping them on the street and you can make extra money. You know what I'm saying? Or you got a boutique store where you can grab them and you can charge a little extra money off of them once they sell out in people's sizes in the store. But this is a general mass release. If you're an individual seller thinking that you're gonna just pop off, don't. It's a bad investment. Anyhow, guys, so you see it, the drip, the skip, the flip. Yes, they're drippable. Nah, I don't think they're flippable, and I wouldn't skip on these unless you just gotta have some black and gray shoes. At any rate, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye for now. And oh yeah, no matter what, baby, stay fly. Let's go. Aha!